Hello everyone. Today we are going to learn how to combine or append multiple Excel workbook into one Excel sheet. This we can do with the help of Power Query. It's already available in Excel 2019 and upper version of Excel like Excel 365 and 2021. The other version you need to download Power Query add-ins additionally. So we can start now. So you can see I have 4 different zone wise employee master data. One is East. I will open it, where the employee ID is starting from 8 series. I will open North. North start from the 9 series. South. You can see it will start from the 6 series at the last for the West zone. So you can see we have a 4 different Excel workbook. The data all are same. So with the help of Power Query, we can combine all the Excel sheet in a one click in a one Excel workbook. So let's start. So we can close this all Excel sheet, so we don't have to open it. So where we have that particular Excel workbook, we can create our own one Excel sheet where we can Excel workbook where we can combine all 4 master data. So we can rename it with the consolidated master. We'll hit enter. We'll open it. So I'm using Excel 365. It can be different from your Excel version, all the menu and other things. So basically it will be under data tab, data menu tab. So we have to go to data, then we have to click get data from file, and we have to select from folder. So it will take some time, depends on your system speed. I'm using i3 4th generation processor, so it will take a little bit longer. So we have to explore that particular folder. So it is there, this PC, software and games, Excel 365 plus, and the Combine-Append. This folder we have to select because our all Excel sheet it is under that particular folder. Just click open. So it's got connected with that particular folder. Okay, so now we have this menu where it's asking for the combine load and transform, but we have to go to the transform data. Why? Because we have the consolidated master data also there, which we are not required to add in that. So we'll click transform data. So our Power Query editor will be open. So it's taking a little bit longer. Okay. So this is our query name. So we have seen these are the data is available, including our that master data. So we can filter it to restrict that particular thing. So we know the file name it's master employee data dash east. So we can put one restriction here, other than Excel should not consider here, Excel or Excel name. So we can just put dash. So we'll get our 4 data, 4 Excel workbook which we wanted to combine. So we require only the two things. You can select control and right click to remove others. We don't require other column, here only we have to click one click here, so we will get our all the data. Just click here, combine files. So it will take few seconds to give your consolidated result. Again, I'm going to mention it. It depends on your system. So mostly it will take few seconds only because I'm using the old system. Okay. So it's processing. Correct. So now we have once again this menu. We have to select the employee master. They are taking a sample against which particular sheet I have to take example. So we have to click employee master. So now it will take only few seconds to combine it. We don't have to copy paste. We don't have to open one Excel sheet and copy paste at the bottom of that. So that will be eliminated with the help of this Power Query. So it will take few seconds more to load that full query here. Okay, so we have received so almost done. It's just loading that particular full data. Then we can go and validate. See, you can see our data, it's already available here, but Power Query will not able to show full data. It will only show the top 1000 rows as of now. We can extend all the data, but as of now we don't require. So then we have to just close and close load to. One more dialog box will be open. Table, new worksheet, and OK. Bang. So we have completed our task. So we can see with this employee ID, we have already take you through the series of the employee ID. There is a 6 series, 7 series, 8 series, and the 9 series. All the data, it's available in a one Excel sheet. This you can change it here as a data. Yes.